Now we're looking at this question. I'm sure that most of you would be able to complete part 1 successfully. So without further ado, let me just write out the answer for part 1. Now the cosine period, the period of cosine will be 360 degrees. So over here, this period would be 180. Now from 0 to 360, this means that you will get 2 cycles. Then drawing out our graph, right, from x and y axis. Now I know that this number here 4, that would be my axis of the curve. So drawing out my line. Sorry for the, because I'm not using a ruler, I'm just using a and the amplitude is 3, so I just draw out. It'll be basically a 7 and y equals to 1. And from here I draw out my graph. So I have actually 1 and up, and 2 and up, and I am done. Okay, so over here this would basically be 360 degree. This will basically be my 180 degree. This would be 270, and this would be 90. Okay, so sketch the graph of y equals to fx, and this is our graph as follows, from 1, 4, and 7. Now we need to find the portion in part 2 for which fx is less than 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to draw out the line of y equals to 4. You notice that if I have 1, the region which if fx is less than 4, this means that the value of y here must be less than the value of 4, because y is equal to fx and we want y to be less than 4. It really means that we are looking at the region where our graph is underneath the line y equals to 4, which is from here to here. Okay, so this means that if you use your quadratic curve knowledge, you know that the point is crucial to know these points here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now how do we find these points? Now of course, if you are able to look at the symmetry of the curve, you know that this is 45. This is between 0 and 90. This guy is between 90 and 180, so this is 135. This is 180 and 270, so this is 225. This is between 270 and 360, so this is 315. Okay, so easily, right, if you were to use just symmetry, right, you can see that this is 45 degree. Since it's midway between 0 and 90, this will be 135. This will be 225. This will be 315. And looking at this, right, you can see that the portion where fx is less than 4, right, is first x to be between 45 degrees and 90 and 135, which is between here to here. Okay, this portion. And the second one will be between 225 to 315. Okay, which is between here to here. Alright, so it is not a matter of n, it's a matter of or. Okay, it can be this set or this set. Okay, so of course, even if you are not sure about your graph, then the last resort will be to solve for these points of intersection, which is basically, you know that this graph is 3 cos 2x plus 4, and this line over here is y equals to 4. So of course, what you can do is just basically solve 3 cos 2x plus 4 equals to 4. Now this will help you to solve for these points of intersection, and you will also get the following answers. Okay, so I hope this gives you a better idea of how to look at part 2, and all the best for your revision. Bye bye.